What is up, everyone?
Hey guys, how you doing?
Welcome back to our vlog channel. Today we have an exciting video, don't we?
Yep, it is our last ever house tour in this house.
This is everything we've wanted to do to this house and it's pretty much finished.
Yeah, I mean we say everything, but if we were going to stay here forever, probably a few more things we would have done.
Definitely, but we do have an exciting project which we've been talking about for probably about a year now.
Yeah, so we won't be here much longer. But yeah,
Sad.
This is the last house tour, and actually here's a clip, because we nearly moved in 5 years ago to the day. Here's a clip of us on the driveway when we first got here. I mean, like, we hadn't done the patio, the hedge height. This hedge over here is like this high. We've got the tree in here.
So as you guys can see, a lot has changed on the outside, but let's go inside. So as you guys know, this is the hallway. Not really much has changed here, so we'll start with the room on the left.
So this room used to be like a family lounge. We kind of converted it to a gym, and then it kind of became a storage room because we decided we wanted to store fat cells here and store our stuff here. So that happened.
I feel like everyone in the house needs one of these junk rooms.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, basically do. So if you're wondering what this is, recently went to an auction, and well, that'll be on Roxy's main channel soon. So.
Yeah, so this is the gym. So immediately on the other side, we have my little office, which is where I do all of my editing and my gaming. Over the last couple of years, I've really gotten into my gaming, so I do actually have a PC and a Mac now. I know, it's overkill. But yeah, this is a bit of like a everything room. It's my studio, we've got a piano or keyboard in here, and yeah, it's a fairly sized room, so I feel like it does both.
You definitely spend most of your time in here gaming, I think.
I do. Guilty. Also, Sky has joined. I'm sure you guys miss seeing Sky. She loves being in vlogs. So as you come out of my office, on the other side we have the downstairs toilet.
And we did change it slightly. I mean, I don't know if you guys remember what it was like before, but we just put a new toilet, new vanity, sink, mirror, just smartened it up a little bit.
Yeah.
Got a new mirror here, and then into the kitchen. Not much has changed here, because this is the room that we would have changed if we would live here forever. I mean, the kitchen's nice, it's just not to our personal style.
Yeah.
I mean, there's a granite worktop, we just can't justify taking it out.
Yeah, and there was nothing wrong with the kitchen in terms of quality and everything, so we decided to keep it.
But we did change the backsplash.
Oh yeah, we did change the backsplash.
Because it was every colour under the rainbow, I think.
It was, but this is really the room that kind of just sold this house to us. You can use this open space for a dining area, or you can have it as a little cozy nook.
Yeah, we had many games nights here, didn't we?
Yeah, we did. This is from IKEA. I just styled it slightly differently.
Haven't done anything to the utility room, so let's go to the lounge.
So here is the lounge. This is the room that I think is my favourite room in the house. It was the last room that we did, but I absolutely love how it looks.
Yeah, I mean, it is a shame that we've only had it like this for a year.
Yeah.
And I still think we need something on that wall.
Yeah, we definitely need some picture frames here.
But the main part of this lounge is really the media wall.
Yeah, the media wall I absolutely love, and it wasn't actually that hard to do. If you guys want to know any details about it, we did have a whole video that we filmed with this. And yeah, we'll have all the links in the description if you guys are wondering where everything's from. So coming up the stairs,
we go into the first room, and this is probably one of the biggest transformations we've done, I think.
Oh yeah, this is probably still one of our most viewed videos to date.
Yeah, I mean, just the star ceiling for me, especially when the blind's down and you've got the movie on, it's just so cool. I'm so glad we DIY'd this.
This is one of those rooms we'll be so sad to leave because we put so much effort into it.
Yeah, and we spend so much time in here, like, it's just such a nice place to relax, watch a movie. And the only really new addition in here is the new LG Cinebeam projector. Look
at it in all its glory. It literally blends into your house so well.
Yeah, I mean, it does look really good, but the main thing is you'll notice it's right against the wall.
Yeah.
I mean, it's literally about, I think it's about 18 centimeters, just a few inches away from the wall right now. So it's an ultra short throw 4K projector. This is literally the future of projectors, don't you think? Well, I hope so, because, I mean, it looks incredible.
Oh, I mean, you can see we've got the blinds up, and the image quality is still incredible.
Yeah, I mean, the camera doesn't have as good dynamic range as our eyes, but it's really vivid.
Sharp.
It's very vivid right now, like, it's popping.
Yeah, it's popping, and it's got a lot of contrast as well, so yeah, we're really liking it so far.
But I just can't get over, like, it's that close to the wall.
I know.
And it's like 120 inches.
Yeah, and you don't have to like faff around with like mounting a projector on the ceiling and stuff, so I really like that.
But when we move, we won't have a cinema room, so we'll be looking forward to setting this up pretty much anywhere, like a living room or even a bedroom. Because it's so close to the wall, it can just go on any media unit.
Exactly.
Like right up against a plain white wall. And also, it's got built-in speakers. So you don't need to go through the expense of having an amplifier and home cinema room speakers, because you could just have it in an
all in
room.
one, yeah. I'm just gonna put the blind down so you can see the full quality of the image.
Whoa.
Oh wow.
Look at that contrast ratio, 2 million to 1.
And it's so big. Do you know what? You could literally use this instead of a TV in your lounge. I think when we set this up in the future, we will definitely have to make sure that we adjust the screen to actually fit the projection.
You don't even see like any of the rays. Like,
yeah, because the
going
rays are
up
hidden. They're like tilted, so look, there's the rays.
One thing I definitely noticed straight away on this is the 4K is just so sharp. It's so clean, and the contrast ratio, like that contrast ratio, I mean the blacks, you just don't usually get that on a projector.
So that's all for the cinema room. Thank you so much to LG for sponsoring that portion of the video, and we're now moving into the master bedroom.
Yeah, I think a lot of you might remember the transformation for this one. It's quite a popular video of ours.
Yeah, so we have the bed here in the corner, which if we stayed here longer, we probably would have changed the layout of the room around, because we did really want bedside tables, but there just wasn't enough room for it right there.
Yeah, I hate to say it, but what am I going to say?
We should have put the bed there.
No, I'm not.
You should have put the bed there.
Yeah, I wanted the bed right here.
Yeah.
Chest of drawers either side. Yes, you'd have to walk around the bed to get to the ensuite.
Yeah,
and then,
I just thought that was too weird.
Yeah, and then built-in wardrobes over there, but you live and you learn.
You do. And when we first moved in, we had the bed here, so we just sort of wanted to change things around. And yeah, we've got these big built-in wardrobes that we actually DIY'd ourselves with the help of some IKEA components.
Yeah.
So as you can see inside, it's a mess.
Yep.
And then we have this room here, which is a walk-in wardrobe / ensuite. And once again, this is my baby. This is literally all of my clothes, some of my best pieces, and I just love how I can have it out on display.
Yeah, and I just want to say, a couple of years later, same clothes are still here.
Yep.
No signs of any damp.
Yeah, because that is something that you guys were saying when we first did this transformation, because it's so open with the like shower area.
Yeah.
You thought that there might be like damp or something, but honestly we've not had any issues.
Especially not with these two fairly large
Big
skylights.
windows. Exactly. So yeah, this is the walk-in wardrobe, and then this is the ensuite with this big shower. I just love it. I love it so much.
Yep. Be a shame to leave this behind, because we put a lot of time and effort into this one.
Yeah. As you come out of the master bedroom, we then have our hallway
And then main bathroom.
Main bathroom, which again we did a lot to, didn't we?
Yeah, so I don't know, maybe we've got some clips of how it was before,
Yeah.
and I know we have a video of transforming it. One thing you might notice if you saw that video is there's no longer a green plant wall here.
Yeah.
Mistakes were made.
Yeah, they were. I mean, it looked cool, but it wasn't practical or functional, was it?
No, so we just tiled that and it looks a lot sleeker. But yeah, this
Definitely.
room's still looking pretty good.
Yeah, all these years later,
Yeah.
it still looks good. And then as you come out of there, we have the last room. Well, it's actually not the last room, it's the last room down the hall.
Oh yeah, this is the smallest room, it's the guest bedroom.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd say nothing's really changed in here.
No, this is just a guest bedroom. It doesn't get any love. And lastly, we have my filming studio. This is where the magic happens. This is the behind the scenes. And yeah, I mean, it's probably quite weird seeing it like this, because you can see all the like lights and the mic, and usually you only see like this area here, so.
And I can get into the position.
Yep.
Oh, no.
No, I'm usually here, aren't I?
I'm not on a 24/7 today, so I can't quite, but...
Yeah, but yeah, this is quite a big room. We've got, you know, obviously my backdrop, we have all these big wardrobes in here, and then we have my little vanity area, which is a bit of a mess, so
Do you
don't
know
judge.
what I find most interesting about this room?
What?
It's the most echoey room in the house, because you didn't let me put carpet in here.
True, I just didn't want carpet because I always thought if I get makeup or like eyeshadow breaks, it'll just go all over the carpet and it'll be such a mess, so I really wanted
But the
laminate.
sound quality.
I know. But yeah, I really like my vanity area. I just need to probably clear it a little bit. So that is it for the house tour. That's every single room, and honestly, it's gonna be so sad to leave this house behind.
Yeah, I hope you guys have like enjoyed the change. Hope maybe you've got some useful, I don't know, inspiration from some of the videos we've made here.
Yeah, and if you want to see what we do next, you know, we've got a little secret project.
Yeah.
We are going to be probably posting a lot on our joint Instagram account, which is called Roxi and Matt, so definitely go follow that.
There's already one picture up there of like a tiny little project we've done. But yeah, there's going to be more on there soon.
Hopefully.
There's going to be a lot more on there by about, I'd say,
Springtime, yeah.
May or June next year.
Yeah, I'm so excited. But yeah, that is all for this video. We hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
See you guys.
Bye.
Bye.